Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. It's been a while since I made a video, just due to unforeseen circumstances and a lot of things going on in my life. I've been unable to make a video until now. Today we're doing some tree pruning. So we're taking some suckers off the limbs, pruning out the dead wood. Today is Tuesday, January 30th. Real excited to start filming again today. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a happy new year and were spending time with your families. I was doing a lot of different things that I'll explain later, but in conclusion, just keeping it brief, I got sick for like 2 weeks. I was interviewing at 5 different places and basically traveling around the eastern United States. And I was just now getting back to school. This is my second full week back in college. Just getting used to my new schedule and everything. So, but yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get to that tree pruning. All right, guys. So right now we're about to prune this kusa right here. Basically, what we got to take off is we have to remove these suckers that are coming out of the base, and we also have to take out a few trunks that are rubbing. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can actually see where the suckers have grown in from the side of the tree there. The tree needs to be focusing its energy on the upper areas because we want this thing to sort of expand and we want it to grow upward, obviously. So just removing the suckers helps it out that way. And yeah, at the base of the tree there, we don't really want another trunk forming right there, which is what those suckers would do. So that's why we preemptively took it out. And then over here, I worked on this white fringe tree. I'll flash up some before and after pictures. Basically thinned the canopy. It had a lot of branches growing real low and real all over the place, and everything was kind of winding and intertwining, which you don't want. So I basically thinned it out and got it to a nice looking stand where it is now. Right now I'm working on this tree right here. I took out 2 limbs so far. I took out this guy right here because he was rubbing up against this branch, and this branch had more growth coming out, growth I actually wanted to save. So I took that one out. I'm about to take some more out, so I thought I'd show you guys.
Lost in a lonely haze, getting it good ain't easy. Hold on to what you got. You're not a fleeting phase. You got the hands that please me. You got the hands that please me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. You'll be better with me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better than you'll ever be.
I wanted to show you guys something. Getting ready to prune this sucker off, and I thought it was kind of cool looking. Check this out. The sucker grows up and then actually goes back towards the tree. I've never seen that before, where it just goes up and goes back towards the tree. This is something where you definitely just want to take your hand pruners and go. Much better.
Our souls intertwined when we kissed the sky, yeah. And you made me better, but I made you feel brand new. All the feels that you're feeling, staring at your ceiling, wondering what I'm up to. I'm better.
I'll make you better.
And I'll make you, and I'll make you.
I'll make you better. You'll be better with me. I'll make you better.
Yeah, you know.
I'll make you better than you'll ever be.
So one of the things you guys need to do when you're pruning trees is to constantly step back and look at it from different angles. Because especially with a tree like this that's surrounded by pavement, people are going to be seeing this tree from all sides. So you need to make sure it looks right from every angle. What I'm looking for when I'm looking at this tree from every angle, I'm looking to make sure there's no branches crossing against each other. I'm also looking to make sure I didn't miss any dead branches. I'm looking at suckers that are going in and intertwining between all the branches. I'm trying to prune those out. And the other thing I'm looking at, how's the form look? Because I want like an upright spreading tree. So, but I want to make sure that I'm not cutting too many low limbs. That's one of the worst things you can do when you're pruning trees, is you get so excited that you're cutting stuff, is you cut off way too much. Good rule of thumb, never cut off more than 30% of the growth on the tree. It's not a good idea. So I'm really trying to look here. I really don't want to cut off anymore. Just looking to snip some suckers and be done. But I just want to make sure.
I'll make you better. I'll make you better. I'll make you better.
I finished working on the red bud that you guys had just seen on the last video. I made a few more cuts in around here with some intertwining branches, and then I made a few cuts off these suckers right here. So overall, I think the tree's in fairly good shape that I feel good enough to end the job here. So the trees I was working on is this red bud right here, Cornus Cusa right here, and this guy right here is a white fringe tree. Alright guys, until I see you guys, hope you all are doing well. Keep hustling, keep making that money. Let's landscape together. I'll see you guys soon.